Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Ponemah, Manitoba. This quiet, friendly community is part of the village of Dunnottar, a popular lakeside area along the western shore of Lake Winnipeg. Ponemah was first settled in the early 1900s as a summer getaway for families from Winnipeg. People came here to enjoy the fresh air, sandy beaches, and calm waters of the Big Lake. Over time, small cottages and homes were built along the shore, and the area grew into a favorite spot for fishing, swimming, and relaxing by the water. Ponemah is known for its peaceful streets, old summer cottages, and friendly neighbors who gather for community events and beach days. The name Dunnottar comes from a castle in Scotland, as many early settlers in the area had Scottish roots. Today, Ponemah remains a beautiful place to visit in the summer, with long stretches of shoreline, quiet country roads, and stunning sunsets over Lake Winnipeg. It's a simple, welcoming place where people come to slow down and enjoy the beauty of Manitoba's lakeside life.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ponemah, Manitoba.